ABC 7 News reporter Suzanne Fawn joins us live with an update. Suzanne.
So officials pressed those companies at the public CPUC hearing today. It wrapped up just about 15 minutes ago. Now, while some people say they're concerned about their job and their livelihood, others say public safety is a big question mark. Cab driver Matthew Sutter was one of dozens of people who spoke out today in front of the CPUC headquarters. He's been a driver for more than 3 decades. He got through the pandemic, and now he's fighting for his survival with the possibility of Waymo and Cruise robotaxis expanding in San Francisco.
If there's no limit on the amount of the robotaxis, I'm afraid we won't be able to get through this.
This afternoon, representatives from both Cruise and Waymo testified before the CPUC at a public hearing. The big concern on many minds, how safe are robotaxis in San Francisco, and how many sudden stops have there been?
Now on to the question of the number of unexpected stops.
Another concern, how many times have robotaxis blocked emergency vehicles?
At Waymo, we're working to ensure that our vehicles stay out of the way of active emergency vehicles whenever possible.
San Francisco city leaders shared this information, saying there have been almost 600 incidents of unexpected stops reported in the city since the launch of driverless operations. It's likely a fraction of actual incidents. ESSA Fire Chief Janine Nicholson says the city doesn't have all the data from AV companies. She testified today, sharing her earnest opinion.
So I understand and appreciate the safety that autonomous vehicles can bring to the table in terms of no drunk drivers, no speeding, all of that kind of stuff. However, they are still not ready for prime time because of how they have impacted our operations.
The fire chief says San Francisco Fire Department responds to 160,000 calls a year. 80% of them are medical related. This year, there's been 55 reported incidents of interference.
This includes not just unexpected stops in front of our fire stations, not allowing our vehicles to respond to incidents.
As the hearing continued, concerned people, including cab drivers, listened carefully. They may be concerned about their jobs, but they and others question the safety and the track record of autonomous vehicles.
To give these vehicles full access to the streets 24/7 all over the city for commercial passenger service at a time when they've proven to be not up to the task would be a grave, grave mistake.
About 24 people ended up sharing their testimony today during the public hearing. The vast majority of them seem to be opposed to the expansion of robotaxis. A vote by the CPUC is expected on Thursday. It was previously postponed twice. Live in the newsroom, Suzanne Fawn, ABC 7 News.
Okay.